is Bartolomé Simonet, and the responsible of Nanotures. Well, we are very happy. We are very happy because it's an honor to have this prize, and also is a recognition of our work, daily work, and also to our development during these last years. It's a very pleasure to have this prize and this recognition that is not, from my point of view, from 1 year. Is a lot of years working. This project was working during 3 years, and it was a lot of work of my colleagues, and there are a lot of tests, a lot of manufacturing process, a lot of engineering. Then is really pleasure at the end to achieve this award. I think it's important, this award, for the communication and the diffusion, and that the people understand that composites in the field of the construction can be used and solve problems, and can be provide solutions in competition with the traditional materials and offer new opportunities. For these reasons, we are happy. We are happy because we have real applications that demonstrate that there are other options to traditional or conventional materials. People must go here, must go to the JEC to see all the developments in composites, and must to provide solutions, knowledge, and also to learn about the people. Within all the peoples, it's possible to improve the applications and also to contribute to this world from the composite world.